Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For those of you all who love curry crab and dumpling but hate the hassle of cleaning the crab, this is a recipe that's going to be perfect for you. So to make this, I have in my bowl 2 pounds of cooked Langostino meat that I got from Costco. It is a cross between a shrimp and a lobster, or you can probably use crawfish or crayfish if you can get that. We're going to start by seasoning this with some Goya Adobe all-purpose seasoning and some Badia complete seasoning. If you don't have those brands, use any brands you have on hand. Go in with some black pepper and some salt to taste. Next, I'm going to go in with some green seasoning and mix to combine. Once properly mixed in, we're going to set this aside and allow it to marinate. Next, let's work on our dumplings. To the flour, I'm going in with some coconut milk powder and some salt. We're going to mix and then add water a little at a time to bring together to form a very firm dough. You don't need to knead this a lot for the gluten to form. A rough knead will be just perfect. So once you form it into a ball, you're going to cover it and set it aside. And in the meantime, let's work on creating our curry sauce. So to a heavy bottom pan, we're going to go in with some oil on a medium-low heat. To that, we're going to go in with some methi or fenugreek seeds. Allow that to brown until it has a light brown color. Don't let it burn. Add in some aromatics, chopped onions, scallions and pimento peppers and allow this to cook until it is light brown in color. After it gets light brown, we're going to go in with some minced garlic and cook until the garlic is tender. Do not burn the garlic, you just want it to be nice and soft. Now we're going to go in with some mild curry powder and some duck and goat curry powder or a spicy curry powder. I'm going in with some amchar massala and some roasted geera powder. Now we're going to toast this until it feels grainy, just for about a minute. Once it's nice and grainy, we're going to go in with some water. We want to create a slurry. And this is going to cook down until it turns into a thick paste and you will start seeing the oil separating from that curry. This is what it would look like. You want to just mix it, make sure it's not burning, and then we're going to go into this with some coconut milk. Canned or fresh coconut milk is even better. I'm also going to go in with some additional water because we need enough liquid or enough sauce to cook the dumplings in. So just give that a mix, make sure the curry is well incorporated and allow it to come up to a simmer. Now let's roll out the dough to make those dumplings. So to a floured surface, you're going to roll out that dough. Make sure and flour your surface well because the dumplings can stick if you don't, and roll it out, or you can break it and roll it between your hands into an almond shape. I prefer making square dumplings. You'll always see me using my pizza cutter making square dumplings. This is what my family prefers. Next, add 1 tomato chopped to your sauce and then add in those chopped or cut dumplings. Give it a mix to make sure that it's not sticking. And now we're going to add some more flavor with some fish seasoning. I like using the Maggi brand. You can use any type of fish seasoning you have on hand. Now give that a mix and we're going to allow this to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's cooked, we're going to go in with our cooked seasoned Langostino and mix that in. We just need this to simmer for about 1 minute and then this will be ready to be served. You want to taste and adjust your salt before serving. This smells absolutely delicious and it tasted really good. Just plate and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, hassle free, no cleaning involved. All the ingredients will be found in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Comment and let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.